So after you have download WhatsApp Business on Play Store and install in your phone, the next thing you are going to do is to go to set up the WhatsApp Business. A WhatsApp Business is just like a store, online store. So now let's open the WhatsApp Business. Now click on WhatsApp Business. Let's open it. So now after you have opened your WhatsApp Business, before you can run advert, you're going to set up your home just like you get your physical shop or a website. So this thing is going to help you to set up everything. When you set up, you are good to go. If not set up, WhatsApp will not accept your business. They will look as if your business is not legit, so they will not approve your advert. You know, them and Facebook, they are working together. So if you run advert, they must review their policy, and Facebook too, they are going to review their policy. So what you are going to do is we are going to set up your WhatsApp Business. This is what the first thing we are going to do now. So if you log in now, you quickly see how the buttons now is on chat. It's on chat. So if you look up by the left hand side, you see a sign of home here. So click on this home here. When you click on home here, so click on business profile here. So when you click on business profile, you can choose a photo, cover photo. You can choose a profile of your business. Make sure that your business is unique and you design something that will be catchable, very catchable. People can like it. So now you can set up your profile here. Number one, set up your cover page. You see, as I set my own here, up here, you can see I set on one. I can click on this pen here. If I click on this pen here, I will edit it. I can add or edit profile photo or add and edit cover photo. So this one is very simple. So the down part is now you are going to give them your business name. My own here is Patrick's Kids Arena. If you click on this pen here, I can edit the name here. I can type anything. I can add anything I want. But I have already set up everything. If you didn't set up things like this, they will not see you as a serious person. So the next one is going to choose the category of your business. Like me now is education. This WhatsApp here, if you click on this pen here, they are going to suggest the business category for you. Other business, automobiles, service, apparel and clothing, art and entertainment, beauty, cosmetic. This beauty is mostly for people that sell hair, attachment, all those things. Event planner, finance, all those things. Restore, hotel, medical care, non-profit organization, restaurant, shopping and retail. So all these things, you know your business. So you know the category of business, what you are doing. If you didn't see the name of the business, if you can click on others and choose, they are going to see others. So from there you can see how. But my own, I have already chosen education because my profile is all about education. So now you can see save button here. Then you save it. That's this another step. Then you scroll down. You are going to give them the description of your business. You can see my own here. I set my own. Teach how to run. Teach how to turn yourself into live trading cash machine. That's the description of my business. If you click here, just like on social media they call it bio, but on Facebook here they tell you the description. You can see the description of your business. I have already written my own. You can come here anytime and edit the description of your business. My own, I have already set up everything here, so no need for me to set up, but this is what we are going to be needing. So now the location or your business, that is number 5 here. If you click on the pen here, my own is in Abuja. You can see my own is in Abuja. So they are going to pop out the map, so that because most people can trace your business through map. So now my own is Kubwa 901101, Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, Nigeria. This is where my business is located. I'm living in Abuja. You can see now, if you click here, they are going to take you to map. So you know your business. After you have set up everything, you can see my own is in Kubwa. So you see the location here. Somebody can search my business on map, can locate my store, both physical. Even though you are doing physical or online, you can choose your location so that somebody can search for you. After you set up, you click on done here on top here. Click on done. So you click on, after you search, you can search it here. If you click this one, you can search the name of your business. You can say update location on map. Me, I have already set up, so no need for me to update. But your own, they are going to show search. So you search the name, whether you can choose your local government. It's not must that you can see the particular place your business is located. So all these things is going to help you. After you done that, click on save button here. It's going to save changes. So after it save changes, down here the business hour, my own is shown open because my own is open from Monday to Saturday. It's always open. So if you click on the pen here, you can edit. So if your business you are not always open, if you are not opening on Sunday, you can click this button and lock Sunday. So that is to show that if somebody comes, it's going to show that on Sunday these people is not open, their business is closed. If you are even closed on Saturday, you can tick the button. If you are opening only on Monday, you can close all other button here. Leave it only Monday. You know that only Monday and 24 hours business is open. Only Monday. Here, if you are not business, you can close. My own here, I tick it open all because I always open. That's why I tick it on. If you know that your business always open, click on. After that, you look up here and click on save up here. Click on save. So when you save now, they are going to ask you your email. You know that you have to separate your email. Most people, they don't like to chat, but they like to send email. You understand? So if you click on this pen, you are going to give them, your email. Just type the email and click on the save button here. So now the next thing now, you are going to ask the website. You'll be wondering, where can you get the website? My own, I can add multiple websites. If you have website, somebody can click. Your website might be your Facebook profile, or your website might be your landing page, if you know how to create a landing page. So now you are going to click on the pen here. You'll be asking, if you don't have website, you can copy your profile link. So let me show you how you can copy your profile link, either your page profile. For some of you that already have a Facebook page, you can go and copy your link and paste it as your website, because somebody can click and see you. So if you set up all this thing now, WhatsApp will now accept your business. So let me quickly show you how you can get your profile link, your Facebook profile link, and paste it here as your website. So let's go to my Facebook now. I'm heading Facebook. So go to my Facebook now. So now when you come to your Facebook, the first thing you are going to do is that, let's wait for it to load. When you come to for you to get your Facebook profile link as your website, now you click on your profile here. When you click on your profile, you see this dot here. There is dot here where they say view tools. You see 3 dots here. These 3 dots here. Click on this 3 dots here. They are going to see. You can see copy link to profile. When you click on it, you are going to copy it. You can see copy to clipboard. So now you go back to your WhatsApp here. When you come back to your WhatsApp, you are going to paste it here. You can see my own. I copy my own there. So I'll click here and paste my own here. After I click it, then I'll click on save button. You can click on save button. You can add multiple websites. If you have another one, you can add. You can see the one I copy. I can copy it and paste here. When I copy it and paste and click on save, there goes. So you have TikTok. You can go and copy your TikTok profile link and paste here, because people can click here and go to your TikTok profile or TikTok page. Or if you have Instagram, you can copy your Instagram or your landing page and post here. So this one here is catalog, the product you have. Another one here. So this one, if you click on manage here, they are going to show you how you can add your item. But this one is basically for people that are selling product like hair, shoes, all those things. You can add your item here. You can click on this add image here. You can go to gallery and choose the product. This one is not necessary here. This is what we are not here for. This is not what we are here. You can choose your design, choose your product, and add a design name. The name. You can add the name of your product and click on save here. So when you click on save here, it's saving up. This is going to save. So your products have successfully added. You can see here it's added. So but this is not what you are here. But if you are selling like shoes, you can add your product. People can come and see this. But I'm just showing you how you can set up. So the down one here they are saying add your Facebook or Instagram. If you click here, this one is not necessary. Forget about this one. If you click on this one, forget about this one, and they will ask you that you to add your page. But forget about this one. If you add this one, you are going to have issue later. So forget about that one. So if you scroll down here, they are about a phone number. Just at the description and your phone number down here. So this is how you are going to set up WhatsApp. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can run your advert from your WhatsApp business successful and get result. So in my next video, I'm going to show you everything.